Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews. In today's video, we're diving into the Pulsar Gaming Gear's X2V2 mini wireless gaming mouse. We'll cover all the important details, from design and features to performance and user experience. The X2V2 Mini is an ultra-lightweight gaming mouse, weighing in at just 51 grams. This lightweight design makes it ideal for gamers who prioritize swift and precise movements during gameplay. The mouse features a symmetrical shape, making it suitable for both left and right-handed gamers. This symmetrical design ensures comfort and ease of use regardless of your dominant hand. Pulsar has equipped this mouse with optical switches, reducing the chances of unintended double clicks. These switches provide swift and pinpoint responses, crucial for gaming precision. The X2V2 Mini boasts a PA3395 sensor with integrated motion sync technology. This sensor offers remarkable capabilities, including a DPI range of up to 26,650 IPS speed, and 50 grams acceleration. The rapid 1000 Hz 1 millisecond polling rate ensures minimal lag during gaming. The mouse is powered by a Nordic MCU, known for its efficiency and fast processing. This technology not only extends battery life but also provides accurate battery status readings. Users can enjoy up to 100 hours of usage, making it perfect for extended gaming sessions. The Pulsar Blue encoder offers a tactile rotation experience and operates quietly and smoothly. The mouse is 4K polling ready, providing enhanced cursor movement for high refresh rate monitors. Users can precisely adjust settings and customize the mouse using Pulsar software. This includes reassigning keys, creating macros, and adjusting debounce time for a personalized gaming experience. The Pulsar Gaming Gear's X2V2 Mini wireless gaming mouse offers an excellent combination of lightweight design, optical switches, and advanced sensor technology. It's a great choice for claw, palm claw, and fingertip grip users. With its competitive price point and impressive performance, it's definitely worth considering for your gaming setup. That wraps up our review of the Pulsar Gaming Gear's X2V2 Mini wireless gaming mouse. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on this mouse, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.